Hey there friends, ETPC here with a little tip, trick how to make your life easier. So, are you tired of refilling your soap bottle all the time and pulling it out and everything? So, what I'm going to do here is kind of cool. I bought some 1/2-inch piping, okay? And this is going to save you a lot of time. So, what you want to do, you can pull off the stem if you want to, but I just slide it all up in there. That goes right into the piping. And it should go on there pretty snugly. Just like that, okay? So that's on there. Now we're going to feed the hose after we remove the bottle from underneath here. Let's get under here. So under there. And we're going to want to remove that. Okay, and this will keep us from having to refill it all the time with soap and everything, which is kind of inconvenient. Oh boy. Let's hope it's actually unscrewing and not unscrewing our main faucet. Okay. I believe it's unscrewing now, hopefully. And yes, it is. So that is our bottle of soap, and we're going to remove that right there. Okay, so what you want to do now, make sure that's tightened on there. So what we want to do now, come back to the top, we have our hose. I'm going to go ahead and take this tag off of here if I can. My goodness. You do not want that removed, do they? Alright, let's remove the tag with some scissors. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start feeding one end of this down into the hole there. Okay, so let's get that going down into the hole there, just like that. Probably should have wiped this off, but that's okay. My goodness. Alright, this is a rather long one, but we are going to cut it, so we'll feed that down through there. Eventually, it's all going to go. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, it's going slowly but surely. Alrighty, my goodness, that's a little soapy there. Okay, so that's the last of it, and we're going to feed that all the way down into there. Okay, now let's take it back to the other side here, and you can see our tubing is looped all the way around in there. So I got to find our let's find our end. Oh my goodness, it's like a rat's nest. Okay, we're going to find where our end is. Here it is. And that's going to have to... We got soap coming down from our main spot here. So I'm going to grip onto this one and just kind of pull the rest of that out, because we don't need 6 feet, we only need a few. And now it's actually behind that. So what I'm going to do now is I have a soap bottle of our dish liquid, and I'm going to place it near the back there. So I'm just kind of moving that soap bottle to the back right there. And next we're going to cut our line. So our line is right here, and we basically want that to feed into the bottom of the soap bottle. So I'm going to cut it, have it go down to the bottom there, and I'm going to snip it off right there. Okay, so do a little bit extra long and cut right through it. Okay. Now what we want to do is, my wires are a little bit, the other lines are a little bit in the way, so I'm just going to push this to the side and have it run straight down the back behind all the other ones. Just like this, easy peasy. And then what we're going to do is feed this, the end of it, into our soap bottle, just like that. Okay. Now that that is done, we have ourselves, we'll kind of clean this off a little bit here, but basically, instead of from now on having to change a whole jar all the time and unscrew that and screw it back in, now we have this. Okay, so I'm going to give it a few pumps and get our liquid going there. Okay. Well, so that's our old soap. Now we're out of soap. Let's see if it's sucking it up down there yet. Yes, indeed. If you look at our cord, we got soap going up the main thing right there. Watch. I'll give it a couple more pumps. Up it goes. Up it goes. And there you have it. So from now on, when my soap runs out, I don't have to worry about taking this out and pouring soap in there and getting all over the place. I simply remove my soap bottle, unscrew the top, and put another one on there. So hope that helps out. And plus it's down there for a while, so I mean it holds more soap. You can get a big container if you want. What I might do, just in case, is get a little string or a tie or something that'll hold that in place, just in case, so it doesn't fall. But there you have it, my friends. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.